your bolt head. And this is one of the rare times where I'm actually going to replace this washer. This thing is done. That bad boy is so flat. This thing is absolutely crushed. Let's get a new one on there. Alright, got us a crush washer. A new copper crush washer. Good. There we go. That's good. Now, side note. This actually does use a specific oil filter. I don't have it on me. Hold on. So I'm actually getting pretty damn lucky that I'm able to get this on here, because that metal thing is used to drain the oil filter. But I'm actually able to twist the thing, so I'm gonna keep twisting this until I get it off. I don't want to drip oil everywhere. Little pick tool, just like that. There's a drain tube in here that can be replaced. We're not touching it. Oh, there we go. You don't gotta kill it. You almost feel it when you stop. No more. Okay, for the oil reset, I think it was something pretty simple. Let me make sure. I believe you have to be on, it's either odometer or trip 1, but I'm gonna go back to trip 1, right? So we're gonna turn to trip 1, trip A. With your thumb holding it down. There you go. See those dots flashing? Now you're ready to go. Your maintenance light has been reset. Let's start it up and check for oil leaks, and all done. Thanks for watching, you guys.